Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make this easy computerized text effect. If you don't know me, I'm Boot Drive. I post easy to follow and short tutorials to help you save time and learn more in Resolve. So be sure to subscribe so you never miss a valuable tutorial. Let's begin by selecting a Fusion composition and placing it on our timeline. In the Fusion page, add a background and text node. Merge them like so, with the text in the foreground attached with the green line. Type the text that you would like to display. Select your preferred font. I'll have this one linked in my Discord server. Change the color of the text like so. Now let's create the typing animation. Follow my steps by ensuring you are on the first keyframe. Decrease this bar to the left. Mark the end of the animation. Now, expand the bar to be full. And check it out so far. To make the cursor, add another background node and follow what I do to merge it. Take some time to scale it and reach the desired thickness. Let's copy the HEX code from our text and paste it to the cursor so they can share the same color. Let's go back to the first frame. I'll show you a way to move the cursor without a transform. Right-click where it says Center and choose the Path option. Select the same ending position as the text writing. Now we can move this to the end of our line of text. As you can see, it follows as if it is the cursor. To make it blink, let's toggle the blend on the Merge node. Go about 10 frames forward and move the blend to the left. Go 10 more frames and move the blend to the right. Open the spline graph. You are able to see the blend movement. Let's smooth it out. We want this to not happen just once, so to make a constant blinking effect, let's create a loop. As you can see, it is now continuous. We are almost finished now. Let's add some effects. Add a glow of your choice and adjust the gain. Next, we can add a mosaic blur. This will give our text a bit of a pixel look. Make sure to adjust this to your liking. Now that we have edited the text, let's copy these two nodes and apply the effect to the cursor. This is an optional step. I decided to add a fisheye lens look to imitate an old television. And lastly, we can add some scanlens. And just like that, we have some computer-written text. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them below and join my Discord server.